What makes life truly fulfilling? Jonathan Haidt's The Happiness Hypothesis dives deep into this question, blending ancient wisdom with modern science to uncover the secrets of happiness. Haidt explores timeless ideas from thinkers like Buddha, Socrates, and Stoics, and combines them into the psychological research to create a roadmap for a meaningful life. It's about understanding the balance between the head and the heart and how our brains are wired for both struggle and joy. So, one key idea is the rider and elephant metaphor, where the rider is your rational mind and the elephant is your emotional instincts. Hadith explains how aligning these two is essential for happiness. What I love most about this book is its blend of practical advice and thought provoking insights. It covers everything from the importance of relationships to finding purpose and even how adversity can make us stronger. For me, the happiness hypothesis is not just a self help book, it's a guide to understanding life on a deeper level. It's perfect for anyone who is curious about why we feel the way we do and how to live more joyfully. So, if you are looking to unlock the science of happiness, you can grab your copy of the happiness hypothesis through the link in the description, or you can even listen to it as an audiobook for free with Amazon Audible trial. It's a powerful read for anyone on a journey of self discovery. What's your take on happiness? Have you read this book? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.